Hi, this is Jesse Liberty from jesseliberty.com, and this module is Programming with Objects. There are a few key concepts in object-oriented programming, including inheritance, polymorphism, and encapsulation. These are the three pillars of object-oriented programming. Inheritance means that classes may derive from existing classes. To derive is to specialize the parent class. To understand this, let's look at a simple example. If we start with an animal class, we can derive from that a dog and cat class. Animal is the parent, dog and cat are the children or derived classes. Similarly, if we have a dog and a cat, we can derive variations on the dog and variations on the cat. The parent class acts as a generalization of the derived classes. So if we have an employee, and then we have a worker and a manager, the employee is a generalization of both. It represents whatever worker and manager share. You can also derive from worker, administrator, and factory, and they share certain characteristics that are in worker. Worker and manager share characteristics that are in employee. Inheritance creates what we call an is-a relationship. So if we look at a book, and we look at the classes that derive from a book, non-fiction books and fiction, fiction is a book. And if we derive literature and popular, literature is fiction, which is a book. That's the is-a relationship. We indicate a derived class with a colon followed by the base class. So here we have a class book, and derived from it is fiction, which derives from book, and non-fiction, which derives from book. Containment is a related but different concept. Classes can contain properties and fields, and these can be of built-in types or user-defined, that is, classes. Typically, fields are used to support the private methods of the class, that is, the methods that only the class uses, whereas typically properties are exposed to other classes, that is, to methods of other classes. Containment creates a has-a relationship. So here we see a book, and it has a table of contents, it has an index, and it has a method to discount the cost of the book.